teach you all how to get Wither Gold Freddy. Now I'm gonna teach you all what is in this new update. So basically there is a new badge called the Mangle. Yo, like when I always used to tell my friends, and I sure wish they would get Mangle badge, and they finally did it. Like this makes me so happy even thinking about it, bro. And this isn't even that hard to get. Like at first, I thought that it was just gonna be like some mini game. Here's the thing, though. When I was just playing the game normally, when I went to the show stage, I noticed something. And I noticed the giant key. Then I realized that it could just be the mango. Then I started to make a video. There we go. It's that obvious. Just unlock it. Anyway, it was for FNAF's 10th anniversary. Happy birthday, FNAF. Even though it isn't FNAF's birthday. It was 2 days ago. I made a video. Like, anyway, let me just kill myself. Anyway, now let me go to my secret characters. There's the Mangle. Oh my goodness, the design looks sick. Yo. Okay, now the Mangle. Okay, that's what the hell? That's a bad thing, though. What? No? Okay, this is kind of cursed. What the hell? What the? Can someone please explain? Okay, they got that wrong. I don't know why the hell they made Mango look so cursed. Oh, that looks so cute. Look at Mango just on the they got something right. Let's see her performance. Do they have Kids Cove? Did they add Kids Cove? No, did they add Kids Cove? That's what I'm wondering. I shouldn't have a simple badge in such a long time. Now most of the time you just have to complete a mini game. Oh, this is where Boy Freddy and Boy Freddy spawns. This is where animatronic spawn. Oh, hi! God. Anyway, it's like I'm just gonna go to the Pirate's Cove, not the Pirate's Cove. Hey, where the hell is the Pirate's Cove? I haven't played this game in so long. My goodness, I can't believe it. This gives me so many memories when I used to play this game. Oh, I remember those times. Anyway, Mango is doing a little performance. Mango likes to dangle from the deactivate. Oh my goodness! It looks like someone slaughtered Bagel. Look at her ears go down. Oh, she even has her sound. And then this is just like her animation continues singing. Okay, let's turn it nighttime. I know there's a way you can turn on jump scares in the day, but since I haven't played this game in so long, I don't know how to do that. And of course, it's just the jump scare is there. Anyway, in total, I'm so happy they finally added Mango. Now we have all the toys. I hope the developers of FMR really see this. We might have some suggestions. I mean, like, they have so many characters. much can I help you guys get some more moves? Okay. So I'm gonna teach you how to get secret character number 5, which is a pretty hard one. Let's turn this to daytime. I'm done with this. There we go. Alright. Good thing that they also had this sky changer. Anyway, so what you're gonna wanna do is go to party room number 1. And then you should see like this light flickering thing. Oh, they changed it? So like basically, here's a summary of it. When the lights turn black like that, that means that it's off and the sequence is about to start. Okay, so like you basically have to count, and then when there's like a little pause, then you basically have to go into your chat. Like for example, if it was lights turn off, or 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. We want to type 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then pause, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3. And then finally, and finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it stops. Then you're gonna wanna you can either write this down on a piece of paper or type it in chat. Then after you get your code, you're gonna wanna go to the parts and service room. Whoa, what's this? Okay, I think they added that. And you update. Anyway, you want to go to parts and service. Wherever that is. Just go straight, baby. You got the parts and service room is right here. Anyway. Now you gotta go to this door over here, E to use the keypad, then you just type your code. Okay, it's wrong for me since that was just an example I did, but once you did it right, it should open the door. Now the reason I can open it without having to use the keypad is because once you get the badge, you'll be able to do that. Anyway, ignore this little thingy here. Just go down here, and then there should be 3 buttons. After you find those 3, and you should go around and find them. After you find all 3 of them, you should be able to go through this door. All these lights have to be green. And then you just unlock it. And here's the good part. Once you get it, you can like open the door even without the code, and you can open that door without having to get the buttons. Now, that's just a short summary of it for you guys to understand that. Now there's another guy. Who I wanted to teach you all about. Now this one is this Monty. Isn't really that hard to get Monty Gator. Just have to go to the kitchen, go outside the kitchen, then over here there should be this golf ball. Then you have to follow the footprints. Then you want to go to a security breach. You want to go to security breach area, the glam rock counter, or the glam rock corner area. Glam rock counter. Anyway, then you're gonna want to go here, and then until you should find a barrel. If you don't find the barrel, you can always follow these footsteps, and then just return it, and then you get the Monty Gator badge. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to get Shadow Freddy, and this one is a easy one. So like you just want to go to parts and service. you basically are gonna want to stand right here. And if you want a private server, you can with your friends on a private. If you want a private server, then you can always just change the time.
Shiva is
You
coming.
can sorry about that, y'all. I had to go on mute. Anyway, though, so y'all basically have to wait here until 2 a.m. or you just have to. At 2 a.m. there should be a Shadow Freddy pixelated thing over here. Then you just either interact and then you should get it. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I posted 2 videos today, the hardcore one and this one. If you guys want to see more Roblox, then please let me know in the comments below. If you guys want to see more FNAF, also let me know in the comments. And subscribe if you want to. And hope y'all enjoyed this video. And make sure, and if you do subscribe, then make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss when I upload. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!